Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel. We hope you are doing well and want to do much more in this single life we got. If you want to manifest success and create the life you've always wanted, learning how to talk to yourself is key. Neville Goddard's inner talking technique is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. In this video, we will explore the power of positive inner conversation for manifesting success. From gaining higher self-awareness to creating an abundance mindset, Neville Goddard's inner talking technique is the key to unlocking your potential. We will also discuss how positive self-talk, affirmations, visualization, and the law of assumption can all help you create reality. So get ready to start your journey towards success by learning from Neville Goddard. Friends, before jumping into the video, just remember one thing. Your support is what drives this channel forward, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Are you looking to reach your higher self and manifest success in life? If so, Neville Goddard's inner talking technique might be just what you need. Neville Goddard, a respected spiritual teacher and lecturer, taught people about spirituality, the law of attraction, and reaching one's higher self. The true meaning of spirituality is reaching one's higher self, which is not bound to anything or influenced by negative thoughts. One of his teachings that can help reach this higher self is the inner talking technique. This involves visualizing the outcome you want and accepting it as if it has already been fulfilled, rather than thinking about the end and searching for more possibilities. Inner talking requires having conversations with yourself. Use yourself as your best teacher and most trusted friend to gain better knowledge of what is happening in your life. To do this correctly, you must have positive affirmations that will help guide your thoughts in a more positive direction. Think positively about yourself and everything else around you to make life easier. Additionally, visualization can be an effective tool when it comes to manifesting success. Picture the outcome you wish to achieve as if it has already happened. With Neville Goddard's inner talking technique, combined with positive affirmations and visualization techniques, anyone can learn how to reach their higher selves faster than ever before. If done correctly each day with dedication towards improvement, greater things are sure to come. The power of positive self-talk is a powerful tool for manifesting success in life. Neville Goddard, an influential teacher in the law of attraction movement, believed that our internal conversations play a crucial role in shaping our reality. By focusing on positive self-talk, we can take charge of our lives and attract more abundance. Positive self-talk begins with consistently questioning ourselves and ensuring that we prioritize our own goals and desires. Rather than comparing ourselves to others or dwelling on negative conversations, we treat positive inner conversations as the new norm. We envision where we want to be in life and let go of old negative conversations that no longer serve us. To ensure that our inner dialogue effectively manifests success, it's important to control our imagination by cultivating positive thoughts. When negative talks arise, we must immediately cease them and shift our focus to something more beneficial for achieving success. Using affirmations is also helpful in replacing doubts and worries with hopefulness. Whether spoken aloud or held internally, affirmations can reinforce positive thinking. Visualization is another crucial aspect of this process. By picturing ourselves already living out our dreams, we encourage our brain to believe in their reality rather than dismissing them as mere fantasies. By applying Neville Goddard's teachings on controlling our inner dialogue through positive self-talk and visualization, we have the ability to manifest any successes we desire in life. Creating an abundance mindset through positive inner conversations is a powerful tool for manifesting success. Learning from Neville Goddard will help you get off on the right foot in developing a mindset of abundance and manifesting all that you desire. First, engage in daily inner conversations with yourself for at least 5 minutes. Speak from a place of desire and fulfillment, telling yourself that you are loved and capable of achieving everything you want. This will set vibrations of manifestation with the universe, which will bring your dreams into reality. Planting positive thoughts within your mind is essential to avoid negative conversation taking root in our minds or hearts. Next, embrace failure as an opportunity to grow rather than allowing it to become misfortune or a setback in life. Understand that what we think has the power to create reality. Therefore, monitor the words we use when talking about ourselves or our future aspirations. They can have a huge impact on how we view ourselves and our capabilities going forward. Finally, foster relationships with wise people who can assist us in staying on track towards success, such as mentors or coaches who understand our goals and help guide us along this path towards achievement. Lastly, practice gratitude by sharing content with others. Expressing appreciation for their listening ears and kind support in return will make them feel valued and appreciated. So friends, take the first step in creating a successful future for yourself by watching our other inspiring videos based on Neville Goddard's teachings. Learn how to use positive inner conversations to reach your higher self and manifest success in all areas of life. In conclusion, Neville Goddard's inner talking technique is an effective tool for manifesting success. When combined with positive self-talk, affirmations, visualization, and the law of assumption, you can create your reality by controlling your inner dialogue and creating an abundance mindset. So take control of your life and start using positive inner conversations today to unlock your potential and manifest success. We hope this video has helped bring some light into your life by introducing you to Neville Goddard's ideas and methods for manifesting your dreams into reality using visualization and belief. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so now so that you can stay updated on new videos about manifestation. Thank you for watching. Happy manifesting. God bless.